I will let you know the specifications and its all features. So after watching this video, decide whether you want to buy or not. So let's open. So this is a Truke BTG Alpha. So this I have purchased on Flipkart. So at the back, specifications have been given. So let's open the box and know what's inside the box. So this is warranty card. So this is a user manual. So if you are using for the first time, this manual will help you. So otherwise no need. So in this pack, so this plastic doesn't feel good, environmentally speaking. Type C cable has been given. Now let us open the important part of this. Whoa. So this is so the case is really unique compared to all other cases. See, the upper lid is transparent, very transparent, that the inner device looks very clear, and the lower part shines like metallic, but it is not metallic, it is plastic only, transparent plastic material. Okay. Oh my god, see, so the RGB lights are glowing, so different colors you can see. See, the color lights are changing, you can see, right? Oh, this is unique. This is unique part of this case. So when you open the lid, the RGB lights will glow. When you close the lid, the RGB lights will be off. Okay, so that is unique. Now let us see how the earbuds looks. See, so insulating covers. These insulating covers are used to prevent charge and discharge cycles during transportation. So let's remove these covers. So the shape of these earphones look like Apple earpods. So similarly, not exactly, but they give a similar look, and you can see. So you can see lights blinking. So this is another feature. Not many earphones will provide this kind of LED indications, but this provides. So at this price point, giving all these clearly unique features is something attractive. Let us know the complete specifications of these earbuds. So let us know the specifications of this device. It runs on Bluetooth 5.3, the latest version, and it has a wireless range of 10 meters, and it has a battery life of 38 extended hours. With case, totally you will get 48 hours of playtime. So because as the company says, on a single charge it gives 8 hours of playback when you keep the sound at 70% levels. When you keep less than that, for example, if you are listening at 60% volumes or 50% volumes, it may get extended. So let me check by connecting it to one of my older devices. So I feel a very comfortable fit. Okay. So it is perfect fit. So see, I can move my head in any directions. So here it is showing Truke. You can see kind of option. So I am clicking this. and it is getting connected. See, I can hear that voice also. If you want to listen, I will show you. So it gives a voice indication that it is connected. So you can see. Nice boss effect. So this is just first impressions only. So based on the price point, so giving a total of 48 hours is very higher than the other competitive earphones. So even I have purchased Bolt Xparts Pro also, so which hardly gives around 20 hours of playback with case, and on single charge it gives to a maximum of 6 hours of playback time. So compared to that, this gives around 8 hours of playback, which is greater than that. And even due to this competition, even other brands are also reducing the price. So this is a good indication that even many people can afford for wireless earphones. So, but it is you who have to decide whether you have to purchase this or not. It is up to you.